A Canton Police Sergeant who testified during Karen Reed's first trial has been placed on leave. And we don't know tonight if this disciplinary action has any connection to Reed's case. WBZ's Louisa Moller is live in Canton. Louisa, we do know this involves allegations of misconduct.
Yeah, Lisa, Sergeant Sean Goode was on duty the night that the body of John O'Keefe, Boston police officer, was discovered and when the Karen Reed saga all began. As you said, we do not know the nature of this alleged misconduct. We do know that it was discovered, quote, during an investigation into a former member of a different law enforcement agency.
I got a radio transmission from our officer that worked in dispatch.
This is Canton Police Sergeant Sean Goode testifying on the stand during Karen Reed's first murder trial. He told the court Reed was suicidal after the body of John O'Keefe, her then Boston police officer boyfriend, was discovered.
Her father was on the phone with Miss Reed, and she was making suicidal threats to take her own life.
Reed was acquitted of O'Keefe's murder during her second trial, but now her supporters still have their eyes on Goode, holding signs and flags outside the Canton Police Department Monday, this time because the Canton sergeant was just suspended by the department. In a statement, town officials wrote, on Friday, October 24th, the town of Canton was notified of allegations of misconduct concerning a member of the town's police department, which was discovered during an investigation into a former member of a different law enforcement agency. Another Karen Reed investigator made headlines less than 2 weeks ago. Former state trooper Michael Proctor lost his job after his insulting texts about Reed came to light. He recently dropped his appeal to get his job back amid the revelation that thousands of his personal texts will be provided to more defense attorneys. I-Team sources say some of those texts were racist.
If you don't trust the police, you're just not safe no matter what, because mentally it takes a massive toll.
Longtime Karen Reed supporter Brenda Sweeney was one of the people outside Canton Police today. She says she's not surprised by Goode's suspension, but believes it is more evidence of a movement by Canton's interim police chief to increase transparency.
He's come out and talked to us, he stood with us to hear us, and something that we've never had for a very long time.
Now, the town has engaged an outside investigator to look into these allegations against Goode. Live in Canton, Louisa Moller, WBZ News.
Louisa, thank you.